how to make and create Instagram post video on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make professional Instagram videos on Canva. So all what you have to do is log into your account, and this is the home page. Now go to the top and click on create a design. Now search for Instagram post video, click on it, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many templates. As you can see, choose one of these templates right here and click on it, for example this one, and click. Now you can change the text and you can change everything from here. As you can see, after you finish editing, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.